We have 5 raised to k equal to k raised to 625, and we have to find k. So can you solve it? You can pause the video and take a moment to think about it. And when you are ready, you can come back to verify your answer. Alright, let us solve it together. There is a very clever trick to solve this question. Suppose if we want to take the square root of an equation on both sides, what we do is simply raise both sides to the power 1 over 2, right? So here this is what we will do. We will raise both sides to the power 1 over k. So take this left side, which is 5 raised to k, and raise it to 1 over k. Similarly, take this right side, which is k raised to 625, and raise that to 1 over k as well. Now use the power rule that says when we have a raised to m, and then the whole thing raised to n, we can rewrite it as a raised to m times n. So the left side becomes 5 raised to k times 1 over k, which is simply 5 raised to 1, or just 5. And the right side becomes k raised to 625 over k. Now we will do the second trick. Let us again raise both sides, but this time to the power 1 over 625. So we take this 5 and raise it to 1 over 625. And we take this right side, which is k raised to 625 over k, and raise that whole thing to 1 over 625. Once again using the same power rule. This right side becomes k raised to 625 over k times 1 over 625, which is just k raised to 1 over k. So we now have 5 raised to the power 1 over 625 equal to k raised to the power 1 over k. Holy moly! Now let us look closely at this 1 over 625. A clever trick here is to multiply and divide this exponent by 5, which gives us 5 over 5 times 625. Now 5 times 625 is 3,125. So we can rewrite the left side as 5 raised to the power 5 over 3,125. Again using the rule of exponents, we can split this as 5 raised to the power 5, then the whole thing raised to the power 1 over 1,125. Now let us simplify 5 raised to the power of 5. That is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, which equals, surprise, 3,125. So this entire expression becomes 3,125 raised to the power 1 over 3,125. And this is equal to k raised to the power 1 over k. Since the bases match the exponents in this special form, we can simply conclude that k must be equal to 3,125. And that is our final answer. Pretty neat, right? If you enjoyed this explanation and learned something new, do not forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun, brain-teasing math questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.